This is the Ronin X Rue litter. They are 5 weeks old. Hi guys. It's our first time in the backyard play area. Been a while, huh? Yeah, get that ball. Come on. Here you go. We are just exploring, or getting comfortable enough to explore. Ooh, yeah, you get him. Who is that? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. What you barking at? Oh, we already ran out of energy, guys? We just got here. Oh, we just got it here. Hi. Good girl. Good boy. Get it. So 5 weeks, we like to just expand their environmental exposure. Just to get you guys super exposed. Start bringing toys into the mix. See if anybody has a desire to play yet. Oh, what a good boy. I think this is the upside down sleeper. Good boy, huh? Wake up, good boy. Wake up, other big boy. So we have headshots will also be up on the website this afternoon on the puppy page. This is the dark sable male. And this is the slightly less dark sable male. Good boy, huh? You feel good boy. Thank you. And this is the black male. No, this is a black female. The black male's under you. Hi, Mama. Hi, girl. And this is the sable female. You guys are big old chunks, huh? You can call you many things, but don't call them late to dinner. Huh? Roo! Come here, babies! Come on, Tessa. Come on, buddy. This is the other black female with some grass hanging. Come here, buddy. Oh, come here, big boy. Oh, man, you guys are chunks. And this, hi, bud. This is the black male. Good job, buddy. Oh, I know. All right. Does that get you all riled up? Okay. Anybody for follow the leader? Follow the leader, leader, leader. Come on, babies. Come on, babes. Come here, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Good job. Come on, guys. Oh, what's the matter? Look, come here. I know, you guys are so cute. You guys are adorable. Yes, you are. Come here, Papa. Okay, there you is, huh? I know. Oh, you're gonna bite on me? They've already started, well, play fighting a bunch, but chewing on my ankles, trying to figure out, hey, don't be rude, sister. Thank you. Chewing on ankles, figuring out shoelaces. Huh. Get it. All right, feisty. This is Tessa. I think you might be mine, huh? Hello. Yeah. Here. I love it because at this age they have like 4.5 minutes of energy and then they all fall down dead. And then they have 4.5 more minutes of energy and then they all fall down. Huh? Oh, good job, guys. Where you going? Oh, I know. Oh, you want to hide? Good girl. This is the lighter sable male. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, you got it? Oh, you got it? All right, girls. Hey, look. Dee-dee-dee-doo. All right, Tessa. Good girl, Tessa. Hi, buddy. The boys all readily give you their backs. It's very nice. Shows a lot of balance. But that's pretty common for Rue puppies, huh? Oof! What's up, derps? You guys are derps, huh? Oh, I know. Gotta roll around in the grass, huh? Hi, Bubba. Oh, you're so handsome, boy. All right. Hey. Now you're hiding? That's the sable girl. Nah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I'll get you. I'll get you. Hey, don't bite him. That's rude. Yeah, rude. Rude. Okay. Oh, I found your sweet spot. Does that get your leg going? Oh, you gonna bite on me too? Oh, all right, Tessa. Hello. Good boy. Hey, don't be rude. And this is 5 weeks. Hi, babies.
All right.
Come here. Oh, I know. So hard being a puppy, huh? Playing all the time.
This one is just chomping me up.
Right. Mama girls. Tula. Oh, yeah. Get you. Get you. I was like, not so fast.